Ever found yourself in a scheduling black hole? That endless back and forth email chain trying to nail down a time that works for everyone? It's like trying to parallel park a semi-truck in a smart car spot, right? You're juggling client meetings, personal appointments, and trying to avoid double booking yourself into oblivion. And then someone tells you, just use an online scheduling tool. Great idea, you think, but then you're faced with a sea of options. Acuity? Calendly? What's the difference? Are they just fancy digital calendars? Or is there more to it? Music fades out completely. Let's be honest, the struggle is real. We're all trying to optimize our time, streamline our workflows, and make our lives a little less chaotic. And scheduling tools promise to be the magic bullet. But here's the thing, they're not all created equal. And understanding the nuances between platforms like Acuity Scheduling and Calendly can be the difference between a smooth, efficient operation and, well, more scheduling black holes. Think of it like this, you wouldn't use a wrench to hammer a nail, would you? You need the right tool for the right job. And when it comes to scheduling, you need to understand what each tool brings to the table. We're not just comparing features on a spreadsheet here. We're talking about how these platforms can impact your business, your client relationships, and your sanity. So let's dive in. What exactly are Acuity Scheduling and Calendly? At their core, they both offer online appointment scheduling. And this is crucial, they cater to different needs and offer distinct functionalities. Calendly, in its essence, is designed for simplicity. It's built for those quick, straightforward scheduling needs. Imagine you're trying to set up a brief meeting, a quick call, or a simple demo. Calendly excels at this. You send out a link, the recipient chooses an available time slot, and boom, meeting scheduled. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Acuity Scheduling, on the other hand, is a more robust and feature-rich platform. It's tailored for businesses that require more complex scheduling workflows. Think of service-based businesses like salons, spas, coaching practices, or any enterprise that offers a variety of services with varying durations and requirements. Acuity allows you to customize your scheduling experience with intricate details, including package deals, recurring appointments, intake forms, and even payment processing. Let's break down some key differences. 1. Complexity and customization. Calendly shines in its simplicity. You set your availability, create event types, and share your link. It's a plug-and-play solution. However, this simplicity can be a limitation for businesses with complex scheduling needs. Acuity, conversely, offers a high degree of customization. You can create multiple appointment types with varying durations, buffer times, and pricing. You can also set up recurring appointments, offer package deals, and even integrate with third-party payment processors. This level of customization makes Acuity a powerful tool for businesses that require a more tailored scheduling experience. 2. Client management and communication. Both platforms offer email notifications and reminders. However, Acuity takes client management a step further. It allows you to create custom intake forms, collect client information, and even store client notes. This can be invaluable for businesses that need to track client history and preferences. Calendly, while offering basic notifications, doesn't offer the same level of client management features. 3. Integrations and workflows. Calendly integrates with popular calendar apps like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud. It also integrates with other tools like Zoom and Salesforce. This makes it easy to incorporate Calendly into your existing workflow. Acuity, while also offering calendar integrations, boasts a wider range of integrations with third-party apps, including payment processors like Stripe and Square, CRM platforms, and marketing automation tools. This allows you to automate various aspects of your business, from scheduling to payments to marketing. 4. Payment processing. This is a major differentiator. Calendly, in its basic form, doesn't offer built-in payment processing. While you can integrate with payment processors through third-party apps, it's not a seamless experience. Acuity, on the other hand, has built-in payment processing capabilities. This allows you to collect payments at the time of booking, which can be a game-changer for service-based businesses. 5. User interface and experience. Calendly's user interface is known for its clean and intuitive design. It's easy to navigate and set up, making it a great option for those who are new to online scheduling tools. Acuity, while offering a more comprehensive feature set, can be a bit more complex to navigate. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a very powerful tool. 6. Pricing and plans. Both platforms offer tiered pricing plans. Calendly's pricing is generally considered more accessible for individuals and small teams with basic scheduling needs. Acuity's pricing reflects its more robust feature set and is geared towards businesses with more complex requirements. It's important to consider your specific needs and budget when choosing a plan. So who wins? Well, it's not about winning or losing. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific needs. If you need a simple, straightforward scheduling solution for quick meetings and calls, Calendly is an excellent choice. If you run a service-based business that requires complex scheduling, client management, and payment processing, Acuity scheduling is likely the better option. Don't be afraid to experiment. Take the time to understand your scheduling needs and choose a tool that empowers you to streamline your processes and reclaim your time. Don't just pick a tool because it's popular or because someone else recommended it. Do your research, consider your specific requirements, and make an informed decision. And remember, scheduling tools are just that, tools. They're meant to make your life easier, not more complicated. If you find yourself spending more time managing your scheduling tool than actually using it, it's time to reevaluate your choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.